Here's how to do a basic adjustment layer onto a photograph to be able to change it to black and white or enhance the colour, etc. So I've opened up my image and I've made sure that I can see the layers panel over here, and at the minute we just have the background layer there. The adjustment layer is found via this button down here, which looks like a circle that's half black, half white. If I click on that, I've got this whole selection of menus here. So I can, all of these ones here, just adjust the brightness and the darkness of it, so they adjust the tone. All of these ones here affect the colour. So if I wanted to make it black and white, there's numerous ways that I could do that. I could just click on the black and white adjustment layer and I have the default here, but I've got some presets that I could use. For example, I could try it on that. I could try it on maximum white, I could try it on green filter to see what I prefer the most. I can adjust it on here as well. If I'm not happy with that, I can just throw that layer back into the bin down there, and I can go back on the adjustment layers and I can try another way of making it black and white. So that could be to go on hue and saturation and to just desaturate it by taking down the saturation there. So the advantage of adjustment layers is that you can do more than one over the top. For example, I could put this one on where I've desaturated it, and then I can add another adjustment layer on the top, such as brightness and contrast, or levels, or curves, to make it just appear maybe like a little bit more bright and poppy. And if I want to toggle the eye on and off, I can see the difference that it's made. That's an adjustment layer. There you go.